Hey there digital friends, welcome back to Digital Visions, and in this video we are going to see the unboxing of Moto E3 Power which I ordered from the Too Good website. This mobile comes under the good condition category which I bought for 3000 rupees. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. The company says that mobiles which are in good condition category will have less than 10 scratches. Let's find out. This is how the packing looks like. As you can see, we got the normal box with the mobile which is in good condition. If you want, you can check out my other videos in which we have unboxed the superb and like new condition mobiles also. If we order the mobile in like new condition, we will be getting the original box. If we are lucky, we will get the original box in the superb condition also. Let's remove this seal and let's see what's inside. As soon as we open the box, we get the mobile itself. Let's see what else do we get inside the box. We got some paperwork, and next we get the basic micro USB cable with the Flipkart Smart Buy charger. This is the basic charger which Flipkart supplies with the mobile. If we order the mobile in the superb or like new condition, we will be getting the original charger. As you can see, with the mobile we got the original battery also. Let's remove this cover and let's see the mobile. The initial impressions of this phone is good as we can't see that much of visible scratches on the device. Let's keep the battery and power on the device. No visible scratches on the sides, but we can see some scratches on the back door. Let's set up this device quickly and let's see whether the cameras and all works or not. The display looks good and we can't see any kind of scratches on the screen. The buttons are also good. So this is the 2GB RAM and 16GB storage variant. As you can see. Now let's see the camera. Let's give it the permissions, and yes, the camera also works fine. So this is how the device will be, which is in good condition. That's all for this video guys. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.